Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is AG update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your sunrise airdrop allocation. So this update is mainly for those of you that participated in the sunrise airdrop campaign to maximize your chance of getting some potential reward. So if you participated in the testnet, congratulations. Please make sure to go and check your allocation. So everything you need to know I'm going to tell you in this video for those of you that participated in the testnet campaign. So as of yesterday, there was an announcement from Sunrise that you can now check your allocation. And looking on the screen, you can see Rise Airdrop Claim Guide. So taking it down, you can see Rise season is off to a great start with our Kaito reward station campaign. Blah blah blah. So I'm going to just tell you guys the important information you should know. With mainnet and TGE scheduled for Q3 2025, so they are going to launch this Q3, but we don't know when. You can see the eligible community. Testnet users are eligible for the Sunrise airdrop. And you can see here Celestial stakers, Mixture stakers, Sunrise Cars campaign, Mad Scientist NFT holders, Slot NFT holders, snapshot taking, Honeycomb NFT holders, snapshot taking. For you to claim your Sunrise allocation, what you just need to do is to visit this site as you can see on the screen. Then connect your wallet to check eligibility. You will need to connect both your EVN and Cosmos wallet. Taking it down, you can see after connecting all applicable wallets, you'll be able to see your airdrop eligibility. If not eligible, please exit the airdrop claim site. Well, this is harsh, but if you are not eligible, just exit the site. If eligible, please click on register to airdrop. So you need to register your airdrop allocation before on the 15th of this month, July 2025. So congratulations, you have successfully claimed your airdrop. Blah blah blah. Taking it down, oh sorry, it's not 15th. The airdrop claim exercise will end July 14th 2025 at this time, as you can see on the screen, 23:59 UTC. The Sunrise mainnet and TGE is scheduled for Q3 2025. Rise claim here will be available in your Sunrise wallet address at mainnet. So the Rise token will only be transferable and tradable after TGE. The Kaito reward station allocation is separate from this airdrop claim process and will be distributed separately. So for those of you that participated in the Kaito reward program, those of you that are yappers that got in, that is the top 100, congratulations, your allocation is separate from this campaign. So please be patient. If there is any update about that, I'm going to update you guys. So please don't forget to join my Telegram group for fast update and follow me on X. As you can see on the screen, please make sure to follow me on X. Promise to follow me back. Now I'm going to show you how you can register your airdrop allocation. So what you just need to do is to visit this site. I'm going to drop all the necessary link at the description of this video and at the comment section depending on when you are watching this video from. So what you just need to do now is to click on enter. Alright, click on enter, is going to bring you here. Now what you just need to do, okay, I've already connected my wallet. What you just need to do is to click on connect Kepler wallet. Yeah, so connect Kepler wallet is going to connect to your Kepler wallet. You need to approve it. So now what you need to do is to connect your EVN wallet. Alright, so I'm going to connect my Ravi wallet. Alright, so make sure to connect your EVN wallet and approve the sign. And after that, what you just need to do now is to click on next. Alright guys, so you can see on the screen, this is how you can check your eligibility. This is how you can see your allocation and then register it. Now what you all need to do now is to register to airdrop. Click on it and make sure to read the terms and conditions. So they are going to give you 25% at TGE, then vest 75% 25% for those of you who don't know. So make sure to read this. You are going to see it here. Alright, so looking on the screen, the initial 25% of the total amount of price shall be unlocked on the genesis date. The remaining 75% of the total amount of rice shall be unlocked linearly over the next 6 months. Blah blah blah. So you can make sure to read this yourself. Read it. So what you need to do is click on accept, because surely you must accept this. After that, your Templar wallet is going to open. You click on approve. So congratulations for those of you that got in. So let's just hope they list at a good price. So please make sure to register your allocation before 14th of this month, so that you'll be at the safer side, so that you can claim or receive your allocation at TGE. So they are going to send your airdrop reward to your wallet, so you don't need to do anything like claiming or the rest. So they are going to send it to your wallet. So please make sure to register as quick as possible, and congratulations guys. So I just hope this is worth it at the end. But on the norms, any project that you got the airdrop, people participated in pre-sale and still yet vesting, hardly cool guys. But I just hope this is worth it at the end, because I got in. Surely I must hope for the best. Alright guys, so I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. Is this worth it? Alright guys, so don't forget to follow me on X, and surely I will follow you back. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal greens to your wallet.